y plus 2 bracket squared equals 4x. Let's just compare that with y squared equals 4ax then underneath. So here, the capital Y axis corresponds to the value of y plus 2. The a value for a is 4, so a must correspond to 1, has the value 1. And the capital X corresponds to just the x-axis itself. So, the y-axis, capital Y-axis, it happens when y is 0, when the lowercase y is minus 2, isn't it? So if I mark off minus 2 here, I use a thinner pen, minus 2, and I'll put down a horizontal line here. This is the y equals minus 2 line. This is actually the axis of the parabola, isn't it? So that's that, and that's the axis of the parabola. Now, a is 1, so our focus is at here on the axis of the parabola, outer distance from the vertex of 1 unit, so it would be 1 and 0. And this is the focus. And then the vertex will be here, won't it? When x equals 0, if we put 0 in, we'll see that y is minus 2. Put 0 in there, you get 0. Put minus 2 in here, you get 0. So that is the vertex then. And that was at minus 0, minus 2. So now we can draw our parabola then. So we'll use a thicker pen now. So it comes up and around, and the same the other side. So that's what we've got. Let's put in the directrix. So we went forward 1 unit from the focus, from the vertex. So we go back 1 unit. So here's minus 1, and there's our directrix then. If I can try and draw it a bit straight would be helpful. Here's our point P, general point P, X, Y, and let's do a check. So we come down to the focus, like so, and we drop a horizontal line down to the directrix. So check, let's just do that then. Won't take a moment to check we've got it right, all this pieces of information. This distance squared, which is x minus 1 squared plus y squared plus y plus 2 squared, isn't it? Because the line is on the value minus 2 in the y's, so it's y minus this value, so it's y plus 2. And this distance here is x plus 1, because it's minus minus 1, isn't it? So that's squared. So let's see what we get. So we get x squared minus 2x plus 1 here, plus the y plus 2 bracket squared, which is what we wanted, so leave that as is. On the right we've got x squared plus 2x plus 1, isn't it? So what do we end up with then? We end up with y plus 2 bracket squared is equal to, the x squareds cancel, the minus 2x can move over to be plus 2x, to add to the 2x that's already there to make 4 lots of x. The ones will cancel. So we get y plus 2 bracket squared equals 4x, which is what we had at the outset, so we're fine.